When it comes to our process, the way that we go, it's actually recently changed, as recently as like about 4 months ago. We used to just do ads, video sales letter, book a call, and sale. And then the setters would pretty much, we just called them the in-between guys. Like I had to drop off, then they'd set the, or opt in to drop off, they'd set them, no show to drop off, they'd set them, demo completed, not closed after 60 days, it'd go back into the setter pipeline to try to put them back on the calendar. Now it's much more focused on marketing. So what I was saying before was that I think marketing should be doing about 90% of the sale. Like if somebody's getting to the sales call and they're not already knowing who you are, what you do, what the product is, et cetera, then for us, our sales will just kick it right back to marketing. They'll say, watch these YouTube videos, et cetera, and not try to force in an hour-long call explaining all of that and trying to close the sale. So we have marketing do about 90% of the work for us. And in marketing, we have our organic content do about, I'd say 80% of the work for us. So now the main goal, pretty much our primary thing that we do is we have low ticket funnels for low ticket products that lead into the MRR community that'll ascend into the high ticket programs. And then we just put out, right now I'm doing 3 videos a week. We're about to start doing 5 YouTube videos a week right now and short form content. All of that drives to the YouTube channel, and then the YouTube channel sends them to a video sales letter or the low ticket products, and they ascend from there. So I actually took all of what used to be gated behind opt-in pages, et cetera, and now YouTube is really our new marketing team. That's the way I look at it. YouTube is literally our marketing team. And I'm just sending people to YouTube from short form. I'm sending people to YouTube from organic YouTube, and I'm sending people to YouTube from paid traffic. Even the modules in some of our products are embedded YouTube videos. So that way they're also gonna go back on YouTube again. Because if I had to simple it down for everybody that's listening to this video right now, if you can just get people to consume more of your content before they speak with you, then you're going to have a way easier time to do that, of making sales. And then the most leveraged way, in my personal opinion, to get people to spend more time with you, the most profitable way to do it is going to be YouTube. And so like that's our whole sales process now is around, let's get people to our YouTube channel. And then in our description, we just have multiple calls to action. We have a quarterly workshop. I'm doing one in Paris in a little bit. We have our VSL for a high ticket funnel. We have a VIP day similar to golfing with you. They do a in-person day with me. And then we have our low ticket products and our subscription service from there as well.
Yeah, I mean, we're doing the same things as you explain it. We both just came to it in different fashions.
Ways.
Yeah, but it's like, yep, nope, this is the conclusion. Like people have to consume content of yours. Like the days of just having ads and nobody knows anything about you, like good luck.
Watching a video and buying. So it's actually pretty funny. I have a video this video that's going a little viral right now on our Instagram. And it's like, so there's something called the General Social Survey. It's the longest person-to-person survey trust done in the world. And it shows that right now, in the last 40 years, we're at the lowest point of person-to-person trust in the world. So people just don't trust other people right now. And then it goes, I think, double for when they're seeing an ad, you know? And I was in the sauna yesterday, and this guy was like talking about this, and he's like, dude, he's like, I don't know if I can curse on your thing, but he's like, these freaking Facebook ads, just like anything I see on Facebook ads, anytime I see a Facebook ad, I just think this person's a scammer immediately. And I'm like, well, shit, I'm running Facebook ads, you know?
Yeah.
But I think that sentiment is more and more real. And so once again, I'm not saying don't run ads because it's still a huge part of what we do. But I think that if you can, instead of making a direct, like squeeze out the audience as quickly as possible, if you can send them to me, YouTube, or even our low ticket community, like product there, and provide value that way in a really leveraged way. Like I take 4 hours a week to shoot all 6 of the YouTube videos. If you do that in a really leveraged way and you do that for 2, 3, 4, 5 years, I think that's $100 million plus. I mean, look at what Hormozy did. That's all based off of organic content.
Hey guys, for the first time ever, we just released an insane training bundle that has literally everything that I've learned going from $0 to $25 million online, plus $20,000 worth of free gifts that we're throwing in it, all for an insanely low price. If you want to get your hands on it, be sure to click the first link in the description down below now.